Sir, I've reviewed this radiograph 3 times.
And what did you find?
There's a linear indication here. It looks like a crack.
A crack? Let me see.
No, that's not a crack. That's probably slag inclusion. But sir, it's sharp and continuous. The shape doesn't look like slag.
David, I've been interpreting radiographs for 20 years.
Yes, sir, but the indication worries me.
You're overthinking it.
Can we release the line today?
Yes, the weld is acceptable.
Sir,
The report is approved.
Pressure increasing. Monitor engages.
Pressure is stable.
Good. Continue ramp up.
What was that?
Something's not right.
Check the feeds. Monitor closely.
Pressure rising fast.
Warning, emergency shutdown initiated.
The line has failed. Shut everything down now.
Warning, emergency shutdown initiated.
The line has failed. Shut everything down now.
we recovered the failed weld section.
The fracture originated from an existing crack.
Was this crack present before commissioning?
Yes.
It should have been detected during radiographic interpretation. Zoom into this area.
There it is.
The crack was visible.
You wanted to see me?
Sir, do you remember the radiograph?
Yes,
I told you the indication looked like a crack.
you were right.
I wasn't trying to challenge you.
I know.
I only wanted the weld to be safe.
In NDT, hierarchy does not detect defects, facts do. Experience is valuable, but evidence is priceless. A junior inspector may see what a senior inspector misses. The safest teams encourage questions, the most dangerous teams silence.
One ignored indication, one wrong interpretation, one catastrophic failure. In NDT, never ignore a concern simply because it comes from someone with less experience. Safety begins when every voice is heard. Inspect carefully, verify independently.